Destination Assist is a great convenience feature that comes standard as a 1-year trial in the premium audio version of Toyota's audio multimedia platform. Let's learn what it is and how to use it. Destination Assist uses the audio multimedia system to put drivers in touch with a live Toyota agent 24/7, just by tapping a few buttons on the touchscreen. These live agents can help track down a destination by address, proximity, city and state, business name, point of interest, or category. And since Destination Assist works hand-in-hand with the vehicle's dynamic navigation system, the Toyota agents can send directions straight to the vehicle. Assuming you have a 2018 Toyota vehicle or newer that's equipped with a premium audio system, you should be ready to begin. First, download the Toyota app. Sign in with your Toyota owner's account information, and ensure your vehicle's connected services subscriptions are active. This step is just for first-time setups though. Going forward, you'll be able to access Destination Assist within seconds. And if you already use the Toyota app to manage your vehicle or connected services, you're good to go. Now, to place a Destination Assist call, press the Menu button to navigate to the main menu. Then select Destination, and then tap Destination Assist. Before long, the call will be connected to a live agent who answers your request through the audio system.
Thank you for calling Destination Assist. Where would you like to go today?
When you're ready, just reply with your request. And since this is a live agent, you can speak as naturally as you'd like. So if you're not sure the exact name of that restaurant or if there's a gas station along the way, just leave it to the pros at Toyota's Response Center. They'll find your destination and offer to transmit real-time directions right into your vehicle's dynamic navigation system.
Thanks for using Destination Assist. Have a nice day.
How cool was that? Now just tap Go and head to your destination. And that's all there is to using Destination Assist. No matter the destination, Toyota is here to help along the way. For more information, visit toyota.com.